So guys, welcome to actually once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic non-metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about hydrogen. So in short, stay to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with this first question. It says, the most important use of hydrogen is in the A, manufacture of ethyl alcohol, B, manufacture of methyl alcohol, C, hydrogenation of oils, D, manufacture of ammonia. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's manufacture of ammonia. So guys, that's the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 2 here. It says, hydrogen can be displaced from a hot alkaline solution by A, tin, B, copper, C, cadmium, and D, iron. So guys, the C, calcium, and D, iron. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's tin. Hydrogen can be displaced from a hot alkaline solution by tin. And guys, this is correct because tin dissolves in concentrated solution of alkalis to give trioxonitrate 5 salts and hydrogen. So that's it for this question. Let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 3. It says, hydrogen is used in oxyhydrogen flames for melting metals because it A is a required fuel, B is a very light gas, C combines explosively with oxygen, D evolves a lot of heat when burnt. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Hydrogen is used in oxyhydrogen flames for melting metals because it evolves a lot of heat when burnt. So this high heat of combustion makes it ideal for processes that require high temperatures, such as melting of metals. So let's consider the next question. Question number 4 here. It says, hydrogen gas can react with metal oxides to produce what type of compounds? A, hydroxides, B, hydrogen peroxides, C, hydrides, D, peroxides. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's hydrides. When hydrogen reacts with metal oxides, it forms compounds called hydrides. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5 here. It says, a piece of filter paper moistened with lead 2 ethanoate solution turns black when the paper is dropped into a gas jar containing an unknown gas. The gas is likely to be A, sulfur dioxide, B, sulfur dioxide, C, hydrogen chloride, D, hydrogen sulfide. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's hydrogen sulfide. So hydrogen sulfide can act as precipitating agent by reacting lead 2 ethanoate solution. So in this reaction, lead sulfide, which is black colored, is formed along with ethanoic acid. So that's it for this question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 6 here. It says, which of the following is a key industrial application of hydrogen? A, plastic production, B, glass manufacturing, C, fertilizer production, D, ammonia synthesis. So guys, the answer to this question yet again here is option D, and that's ammonia synthesis. Hydrogen is an essential component in ammonia synthesis because it combines here with nitrogen to form ammonia. So that's it for this question. So let's consider the next question. Question number 7. It says, what is the common name of hydrogen sulfide? So we have A, sulfur dioxide, B, sulfuric acid, C, sulfurous acid, and D, rotten egg gas. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's rotten egg gas. Hydrogen sulfide is often referred to as rotten egg gas due to its characteristic foul odor resembling the smell of rotten egg. So guys, that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 8. It says, when sodium is added to ethanol, The products are A. Sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. B. Sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. C. Sodium hydroxide and water. D. Sodium ethoxide and water. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. When sodium is added to ethanol, the products are sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. This is actually a type of reaction known as acid-base reaction, where ethanol, which is the acid, reacts with sodium, which is the base in this. So this will produce sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. So let's consider the next question. Question number 9. It says pure hydrogen chloride is colorless gas with A. Sharp irritating smell, B. Blunt irritating smell, C. Sharp pleasant smell, D. Sharp sweet smell. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's sharp irritating smell. Pure hydrogen chloride is a colorless gas that has a sharp irritating smell. This is actually due to the strong polar covalent bond between hydrogen and chlorine atoms, which leads to a partial positive charge on the hydrogen atom and a partial negative charge on the chlorine atom. So this polarity results in a sharp irritating smell. And that's it for that question. So let's consider the next and the last question, guys. Here it says a gas that turns a filter paper previously soaked in lead ethanoic solution black is A. Sulfur 4 oxide, B. Hydrogen chloride, C. Sulfur 6 oxide, D. Hydrogen sulfide. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's hydrogen sulfide. So hydrogen sulfide turns a filter paper previously soaked in lead ethanoic solution black due to the formation of lead sulfide. So that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end this video, guys, for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. If you have any specific question regarding this video, guys, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.